short video in the same vein of the hymns and psalms that I've been talking about so far. Today, from a different book, I'm going to be reading from Livre Pesado Camin, which is a book on prayer. You can see, actually, when you go into the inside of it, published originally in 1980, it says Haworth Usado Egos Pauseos, so literally according to the Church of England, so this is an Anglican book. Again, right at the bottom it says Lesson of Vosusias in Escopeth Turo Label Contis Gansu Truro, so it's lesson to be used by the Bishopry Truro, etc. And today I thought there's something different, because online you can find people in Cornish reading like Antes Ni Our Father and things like that, but what you don't find, I don't think, is the Credo. And Credo, or Encredians, I guess it would be in Cornish. I've never seen it translated. Yeah, so just standard rather than Nicene Creed read aloud from this source text from 1980. Yeah, so this Anglican version, that's it. I'll put the wordage, translation and Cornish below in the text, in the description box, and that's it. Give it a read. Usual mistakes are my own. Be patient. So this is it. The Credo read in Cornish. Me gris in duo galazig, fwing me nef an nor, ag in Jesu Christ I vavef, ag in lalwth ni, na bevid en netis drein spur sans, genis an Virgus Maria, o thevis in dan Pontius Pilate, evi crausis maro hag in Glethius, jes ginians de efan, and trilta deith if thorgas arteth the worth an maro, if the skinnings the nef, hag es seth the barth decho an thu an toles an days o galosig. Elena ete the Rusi and Bu and Maro. Again, it's pretty literal, just like English. Again, from the last line, from there he comes to judge the living and the dead. It's the same. It's a pretty close translation. So the English for once, maps. And you can go and continue with Michaelis Pius Sans, Eglos Sans Catholic. I believe in I believe in the Sacred Spirit and the Catholic Church. It continues. I could keep reading if you want. Corinthians and sin, communion sin to Williams, we have forgiveness of sin, resurgence of the flesh, etc., etc. I won't go anymore. And again, in the Anglican version, have unans how doeth, amen, and life eternal, amen. So it's quite good. I might do some more of this. One of the things that perhaps is missing, even though you can get Our Father, is that all the other cyclical bits in doing Rosary, for example, are not necessarily publicly available, so I might do that as well. Perhaps Gloria and other things. And the book has lots of interesting stuff in it, from at least for me, even if it's an Anglican book. Anyway, you all. That's all for me. Thank you for your time.